Alright, good day. I'm trying to build the ultimate kundel model. I've never seen it built before. There's plans for it, but it doesn't really seem too user-friendly to build because it has a little complication. A linear shaft that allows reciprocation to go around it, and a single linear shaft on the inside. So, yeah. Anyway, here's what I got going so far. I'm not expecting any type of over unity, but a little shelf piece, something to play with. It's going to be an interesting design. We have a clear acrylic tube, okay, and this rotates the tube. Then we have a shaft that reciprocates on the inside. Okay, so as this reciprocates, it's hard one-handed. It spins the tube. Okay, so on the inside of this shaft, it goes through linear bearings. Then the linear bearings nest inside radial bearings. And so that allows this to spin and this to reciprocate. On the outside of the tube, we have magnets, N45s, north, south, opposite polarity. And the inside, we have N45 arc magnets, which are north and a south, opposite polarities. So when you move this, it repels, my finger hit it, it repels the other side and wants to attract the other. So you hook up a reciprocator on this of some sort. Let's see if I could do it one-handed. I wish I had two hands. Oh, here we go. So that reciprocates at the right timing. Now, it's almost impossible to get the timing with your hand. It has to be on a circuit that has a timer. But watch how far it goes. I'm just going to do it one way. It almost wants to go all the way around. Of course it can't because it hits the repelling side. But it gets a lot of force. It's cool. It's cool. So the further out the stroke, the more torque you're going to get because you're getting by the poles of the magnet. The smaller the stroke, if you stay at the blotch wall, it takes very little power to reciprocate this once it's going, of course, and very little movement. But then you lose a lot of your torque. Either way, cool little motor. It's going to be anyway, once I get it. Now, the problem I'm facing now is the linear bearings don't want to rotate, but of course, the magnets lock, and as this turns, it wants to rotate the middle, you see? I don't want that to rotate. So I'm currently designing some type of rail system to stop this inner shaft from rotating. So it could just go linear and this would go around it. So updates to come.